All right. A Tourist in Australia is the story or text you're reading today. It's called a travel log. It's just essentially something you'd read before you would visit somewhere. Just a reminder, Australia is the continent down here. Or if you went from the United States, if you went west that direction, you would also get there. So, Australia is a great place to visit, but it's also home to some dangerous animals. So that is the gist of what you will be reading. Okay, plus has some other information in there, but it is talking a lot about the different animals that live there. Make sure you circle your words that have the noun suffixes we talked about. Answer the questions. What are some dangers you might face if you visit Australia? Are the headings, so those bold things, slither and crawl, watery threats, etc., are they good ones? Yes, no. Why or why not? It's just your opinion. And then how does the travelogue affect your desire to visit Australia? Why do you think the author wrote it? So again, just your opinion using what you read in the text. Does it make you want to visit Australia more or less than you did before you read it? And then why do you think the author might have written it? So a couple of parts there. Make sure you answer both parts. Make sure you ask for help if you have any questions. Remember, try reading it without listening to it, but if you do need to listen to it, that option is always there. All right, good luck. You got this.